Right, that time of year again, back at the Weald of Kent ploughing match. Got a 6910 with a hedge cutter by the entrance there. Just kind of have a quick look at this 4020. Oh, a nice Stuart trailer there. IBCs, but 4020 with a Bailey flatbed. Yeah. Front linkage. BKT tyres. You can smell the steam engine right there. Telehandler, another older JCB there. Stuart low loader there. Anyway, I'll get more. There's T6 over there behind. Yeah, I'll get some more video clips throughout the day. And I am really behind on editing. Like, I've done no full videos on harvest really yet, and that's all done with some cultivation. So I'll try my best to get this out as soon as possible. It's 21st September, Saturday. Yeah. Fent favorite there. Got T7 just over there. David Brown there, struggling a bit. Ferguson 35 there. Looks like a 135 as well there. This fabric's finished it, so. So we're starting off with the ploughing, and then we're going to look at the machinery. There's 4020 icon, all of that. Yeah. Got fabric. Move that out of the way. Turbomatic fabric 309 LSA. Oh no, Turbomatic Farmer. Whoa! Oh, look at this. Nasty. Got a bit of wheel spin here. Need it. There you go. Big T7 landing plough over there. This Massey's here is struggling a little bit. That one there, struggling a bit, that was. T7's back in action, coming up here. That Massey over there keeps on struggling. Every time I look at it, it keeps on having the wheel spin on it. T7's pretty much got full tank of oil pretty much. I don't know. That's got a wee trench there. Did you see that Massey over there? The one where there's loads of people crowding over it? It kept having wheel spin. Oh, it's T6. P6 180. Went and ploughed though here. Lift that. There you go. David Brown. He's got a smoky on that one. Nice plan. Fergie there. Have a look at them forestry stuff, the big forestry construction kit. Yes. Big construction JCB telehandler here. Some like rolls stuff. 540, 140. JCB, it's got a stance. Those digger rolls. Tough. What's this one? And both the digger there. What's this? Don't know what manufacturer that is. Nice. Bigger. Backhoe loader. Black rims. That's brand new. Nice forestry kit. MAN truck. Trailer on the back. Grab there. Look at that for a chipper. Grab, put it in there. Completely destroys it. Look at that. Goes out and thing. Got Southeast Forestry here. Got these things. Still chainsaw. Nice Scania there. Got a crane stuff. And cutter one. Head up to see the front A big forestry kit out there. Some wee ones. I got a neighbour here that does forestry business to everyone like that. Remember they had that thing over there. Massive. Absolutely massive. Like, that is some serious kit over there. And that's if you got that whole wood and chipping it up or something like that. Nice wee forts in there. Look at that wee dumps. Yeah. Wolf kit there. Top of stand. Guard dogs over there. 6R185. Front guard, runway. Easier shot. Passenger Seadrill. Framer KT310. Double booms, half one. And crab steer at the moment. Michelin tyres. You can see spaniels there. Guard dogs.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the main ring, I'm going to draw your attention back for...
In 15 minutes, that'll be the parade of the machinery, so I'll show you that. Rural police here, and a few mutual. But that's just agri, that's just organics. Yes, so class stuff first. So you got pretty big class 8.7 Axion C-Matic. That's saying like joysticks, like combine and stuff. Michelin tyres. Class we weight here 200 kg. Yeah, pretty nice. So this is man's class. Here. Here we have big class 960 Axion tracked version terra truck. You can see that has not been used much. It's very clean, pretty much. Got the control buttons there. All of the spools, rear linkage stuff. There. That's quite high up machine, isn't it? Really. That goes back round. You got FGS Agri now, so it's the more uni drill. Regen farming on a 6R250. We got 6R250, so this fairly new pretty new tractor. That's the new version of it. The organics, I think, do the paper. Amazon Smart Cut on a a mower or something. On a wee 210F Vario, so that's for like vineyard and stuff. Linkage on there. Pretty small tractor this actually. Got a load of mowers. Yeah. They do chips them, paper crumb, take from what they've been doing. Yeah. My house. Crawford stand here. Got Isuzu truck here. 514 Vario. Cargo 4X80. Can-Am.
That's what we need.
Zuki stuff. This on the back of the 514 Vario. Grass harrow. Turbo tyres. Brand new. Greasy. Display time. Black vineyard tractor. Nice spin. Can-Am. Nice. Zuki. Nice Manatee. Don't handle that. Nice New Holland T7. Blue power. Auto command. T7, T4, 5. He just had Greasier's tyres on here. Continental tyres. There are hitch and spools there. Blade and drill. And it's Evolution M3, so it could be a direct drill. We got new JCB Agri 53260 Michelin tyres. Inside there, all the aircon and stuff. Nice bit at the back. Got here like the case stand, kind of case IH130 Vestrum. A load of cobwebs, I don't know if you can see that. 110F Quantum, massive 330 AFS connect to Optimum there. So that's selling T10 today. How you could buy that.